I won't fix it, I'll just stick the pencil there just a moment. That's to prevent any shavings coming down there and clogging, just getting onto the drive shaft. I don't want that happening. So there are my two pieces that I've planed up. So my machine now is calibrated. It's absolutely accurate. My rollers are working good. That brings them up and that brings them down. So we have that done as well. Everything is ready to go. I've greased everything that needs to be done. So the machine, to start up, this particular machine is 10 horsepower motor in it, and there's a 1 horsepower drive motor in it as well to feed the stuff through. So we're ready to go, and we just send the piece through, and we just show the rise and fall now that the part is repaired. So we're going to go down. So that's my prop mechanism. I can speed it up here a bit. There's a variable speed on this machine. That's working very sweetly for me. My light is in the way. So that's working sweet as a nut. And if there's a wheel at the side here, if I just want to do it manually, I can do that. Go up with the Wadkin, turn the switch into neutral, back up to rise, and just press. That's running absolutely beautifully now. I think it's working better now than it ever was since I bought the machine a few years back. That's sweet as a nut. This is all chain driven, so it's mechanical drive in it. There's no electronic parts in these, which I prefer. Why? Because I can normally fix them myself. That's working very sweetly. So I just go up to 20 mil there, and push these things through. Just in case anybody's thinking that's loose on the machine there, it's actually a magnet. Now, my piece is there, put the finger on them there. They're absolutely 100% accurate, so that's calibrated to absolute perfection. That's as good as we can humanly get it. So that's my Wadkin. I've been out of action for 10 days now with this particular machine, so let's have it going again. Okay, over and out for now. Hope you enjoy what I did. It might be of use to you, when it comes to repairs or when a machine breaks down. I suppose we have two options. We can get somebody else to do it for us, which is quite an expensive process and time consuming also, or you can just say, look, have a go yourself. This video isn't for instruction and anything, it's just it's only for entertainment purposes only. I'm not assuming people know anything about them. I'm assuming people know nothing about machines, and I'm not advocating that you go at them unless you've experience at them. So it's just for demonstration purposes only. It's not a lesson to teach people how to do it. Wadkin's manuals are available online, which is fantastic. All machines need to be greased up regularly because they do an awful lot of heavy work. This one is capable of doing 20-inch boards, so this is one of the best workhorses in my workshop. I'll hook up my extraction system now to it here, because the less dust that gets down into the machine, the less chance it has of causing further problems down the line. So I hope the video is of entertainment value, if nothing else. I'll just put back in my bolts there into the cover, make sure everything is cleaned down, all gear or everything that's there, bolts, etc., nothing is loose. And just one last thing, if you're ever attacking a machine or you're doing anything, if you're working just an amateur or just for DIY, I would always say to people, no matter when you go working on any machine or power tool, isolate it first. Don't ever work on a power tool or machine when the isolation, unless it's isolated, I should say. So I've isolated switches on the wall over here, so I need to turn on the isolated switch prior to turning on the camera. So as the repair was being done, the machine was isolated at all times. So you do that for power tools or any machine tool. I'd isolate the machines every single evening before I finish work. So that's it, over and out for now. Shin will go forward.